Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video for the Mazda. Today we're going to be installing REV Limiter gauges from REV Limiter. This is what Adam, the guy who makes these, sent out. So we got the, I think it's the burnout one. That's what it looks like. Like another package with like gloves, wipes, 3 stickers that we're going to be installing in today. So stay tuned for the breakdown video of how to install these REV Limiter gauges. So now that we're inside, there's 3 steps that we need to do to continue this process. We're going to take this top bit off, then we're going to have to come underneath, pull this down, this just pulls down, the clips right off, just like that. And then we're going to need some screwdrivers to get underneath here, to pull this bit underneath off as well. And that's the 3 steps so far to be able to get to this. So by pulling it up very gently, we'll just take this off completely. Put that aside. And then you've got 3 screws, I think 1 there, and I think a few here as well. Let's have a look. So there we are, we've just disconnected everything around the unit that we're going to be working on today. That's what it kind of looks like. Just disconnecting the little light where the keyhole is, so there's no wires in the way. So once you've gotten the 3 screws, one on top and one the 2 up below the plastic pads there, then it should just pop right out. So once you've taken it out of the car, this is what it looks like. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn around, and we've got a few screws here that we're going to take off. And that should give us access to the gauge itself that we're going to change. Take the back off, this is what you're going to see. This is okay as long as you don't touch it. We're not working on this. We're going to peel the plastic bit off. Let's put that on after as well, yeah. And now let's see, I think we turn it around, I think, yeah. We turn it around? Or we just pull it off? Pull it off. I think, let's see. Now, the way you detach the face is there's like these little clips holding it in place. So you're just gonna loosely, like kind of like loosen it up a little bit so you can pull out the face. So, oh, okay. Now, we have to now twist the needles. That way, that way, that way, that way, and that way. Well, you have to twist it and pull off. You don't want to break these, otherwise you're fucked. Okay, I'm going to try it and then I'm going to record it this year. We did one, so we're going to twist it. Pull. Okay. I'm going to twist this. And pull. It's coming out super easy actually. They're making it seem like it's really hard. Twist and pull. I hope I'm just not breaking it. Don't get too cocky, relax. Now, okay, so we just take this off gently, and that's done. Put this somewhere here. but that's good to have. And now we're gonna open up the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. We're gonna put this in place. Something like how we, so it lines up there, there, there. I'm just gonna gently tap it back into place. Let's see, this is it. That's the finished product, guys. We put the needles back in, which is quite easy, a little bit scary, but never mind. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually play with this a little bit. I don't like, as my cat sneezing, by the way, I don't like this colour. I'm going to play with it a little bit. So stay tuned, playing with that. Be back. So we've done wrapping this up. This actually took longer than taking everything out. So I'm just going to sand it down a little bit on the edge there. And ready for paint. Yeah. Alright, so we're done with spraying this. It's looking very nice. This is going to look super, super sexy. And this is actually an original Galaxy grey colour as well. So what the car comes with anyway. I've got it as in a can. So very nice. Okay, so as you can tell by this video today, we had to continue throughout the night because we ran into a little problem. The problem being that, let's say, be gentle when you try to put the needles back into place. I don't think you should be too gentle, because being gentle, the needles, when you would start the car, will just fling all the way around. So my opinion would be, when you put the needles back in, place the needle, the pointer, onto the starting positions manually. So twist them all the way around till they're manually stopped onto each stopping position. And that's what we did, and then that's what it worked. So we had 3 attempts, and the 3rd attempt was that. And I say it's idling now. And we sprayed everything. And it just looks nice, clean, and then with the lights on. So it's a little bit dirty, but I haven't cleaned it yet because I don't want to mess up the paint. But yeah, very happy with that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye.